Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful scrapbook. First, begin by gathering all your cherished photos and special mementos that tell a story you want to preserve. Next, select a captivating theme or a harmonious color scheme to guide your creative process. Consider an album size like 8 by 8 inches, which offers ample space for your memories. This initial planning stage is crucial for creating a cohesive and visually stunning keepsake. Now, let's dive into designing your pages. Arrange your photos in visually appealing layouts, perhaps using the rule of thirds for a balanced look. Don't hesitate to incorporate decorative papers, stickers, and die cuts to add depth and interest. Remember to include personal touches like journaling or handwritten notes. These elements truly make your scrapbook unique and heartfelt. Experiment with different textures and layers to create a dynamic visual experience. To achieve professional-looking results, having the right tools is key. A paper trimmer ensures clean, precise cuts, while quality adhesive keeps everything securely in place. Feel free to experiment with various techniques like stamping, embossing, or stenciling to add unique textures and patterns to your pages. Once your beautiful creations are complete, protect them with clear page protectors to ensure your memories last for many years to come. Finally, it's time to put the finishing touches on your masterpiece. Take a moment to review each page for consistency and make any last-minute adjustments. Adding a title page and an index can make your scrapbook even more organized and enjoyable to browse. To preserve your beautiful work, store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, ensuring your cherished memories remain vibrant for generations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.